Okay, fourth graders, we're going to continue to work on your sugar skulls today. Remember, we learned about folk art a little bit yesterday, and this is a form of Mexican folk art. So the important thing to remember that sugar skulls during the Day of the Dead, even though it happens about the same time as Halloween, it is not a scary holiday. These are beautiful sugar skulls. They are not meant to be scary or creepy or disgusting or anything like that. They are meant to be beautiful, and they are meant to honor the ancestors. So we are going to focus on making our skulls beautiful and intricate. This is actually a student's example from a different year. I have to get this back to her actually. Very beautiful and intricate. This is one that I started last time. You can see I put designs on the side, on the top. I have to finish this side and then the front. I use lots of like swirls and dots and things like that. And then we will put jewels there in the middle too today. So you can see here that this was squished a little bit. Do not squish your clay today. It's mostly dry. It might still be a little bit wet, so be very gentle with it. Don't try to change it. The first thing I want you to do is to turn it over and write your name on the back with your Sharpie, okay? You will get to choose what colors of Sharpies you want, and these are special skinny ones. So we are going to, I chose a cool color palette here, and you're just going to start decorating. You can reference the designs that you have in your folder that you practiced last time if you want to. And you're just gonna start adding some details. I like to kind of trace around the eyes somehow, either by adding dots, by tracing a circle, by adding a flower pattern, keeping in mind you're gonna glue a jewel on the inside and make them both the same. And you're just gonna keep doing that. You wanna fill this up with as many different lines and designs as you can to make it super colorful and beautiful. Just be really gentle with your markers. You don't want to push so hard that you're like denting your clay. And then the nose shape, you could do an upside down triangle. You could do an upside down heart to draw the nose. You could color it in. I don't know why, but I really like adding these dots. I think they're just an easy way to add a super intricate detail. Okay, you got the eyes, the nose. It's maybe a good idea to trace the teeth. Just makes them kind of stand out. And then you can even do a design around them. Like that. And keep going. Keep adding to the sides, the top, the bottom, everywhere. You don't need to decorate the back, but all of that. Okay, once you're done, and I'm pretty close, I could add a little bit more details in there, you know, just to make it more colorful and beautiful. Once you're done, these Sharpies need to go in my white sanitizer bin, okay? Make sure you don't put them back on the tray. Then you'll go up to the counter, as long as no one else is there, one person at a time, and there's all these different jewels. I do not want you to do this. You guys know that. I want you to just go in and take two jewels that might match or look nice with your sugar skull. And to do that, I'm just gonna I like to think of this like the claw from Toy Story. So I'm actually gonna do these two. And I'm just gonna pluck out the two that I want and then walk away. Thank you. All right. And then I'm gonna get these glued on like this. Let me get my glue bottle. Make sure you open it. You might have to pick the glue off the top. Open it and just put like 2 dabs of glue, 2 dots right there. Close the glue, and then this goes in the sanitizer bucket as well. And you're just gonna pop this in and just gently set them. Don't worry about the glue oozing out because it will dry clear. And then I will put a coat of Mod Podge on top to make it shiny and make it stronger. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to take that piece of paper. There should be a little, actually, no, we don't need that. Sorry. You can throw that little piece of paper away from last time because your name is on the back. You can just go ahead, put this up on the tray where you got it from to let it dry, and then you're done. And you can go color in your sketchbook while you wait. Have a great day, and I will see you next week. Bye.